Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving linear inequalities. To understand the concept, let's look at some examples. The first one says solve for x and we're given this inequality. Let's write it down. Negative 2 times negative 4x plus 2 minus 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Now, to solve the inequality, we need to put the x terms on one side and the constants on the other. So let's start off. Negative 2 times negative 4x, then negative 2 times the positive 2. Here we are applying the distributive law with negative 2 distributed to both the terms inside the parentheses, and rest here as it is. Now negative 2 times a negative 4. Two negative numbers when multiplied, we get a positive number. One negative, one positive, negative 4 minus 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Put the like terms together, 8x minus 5x, negative 4 minus 3. These are the like terms on this side and the other side as it is. So 8x minus 5x is a 3x, negative 4 minus 3 is a negative 7, is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Now we bring this 2x on the side, so we subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x minus 2x becomes 0. 3x minus 2x becomes x. Minus 7 is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now to find out the value of x, we have to do away with this negative 7. For that we add 7 on both sides. Here. Now this positive 7 minus 7 becomes 0. X is greater than or equal to 7 minus 4 is 3. So x is greater than or equal to 3 is the final answer and can be seen in option A. Let's look at the next question. Solve for x and we are given this inequality. Let's rewrite it. Negative 5x plus 4 plus 2 times 2x plus 5 is less than negative 4x minus 1. Our steps remains the same, so we simplify this first. 2 is distributed to 2x and 5 plus 2 times 2x plus 2 times 5 is less than negative 4x minus 1. So let's see what do we get. Negative 5x plus 4, 2 times 2x is a plus 4x, 2 times 5 is a 10, is less than negative 4x minus 1. We put the like terms. Negative 5x plus 4x is negative x, plus 4 plus 10 is a 14, is less than negative 4x minus 1. Now we have to move this negative 4x, so we add 4x to both sides. Always remember to carry out similar operation on both sides, otherwise the answer would go wrong. This becomes 0. Negative x plus 4x becomes 3x plus 14 is less than negative 1. Now we move the positive 14 to the other side by subtracting 14 on both sides. So here we have 0 and this is only 3x, so 3x is less than negative 15. To find out the value of x, we divide by 3 on both sides, so we get 3x divided by 3 is less than negative 15 divided by 3. This becomes 1. Negative 15 divided by 3 is a negative 5. So x is less than negative 5 is the final answer and can be seen in option C. Let's look at the next example. Solve for x and we are given this inequality. Let's rewrite it down. Negative 4x minus 3 minus 3 times x is greater than 3x plus 7. Now our rule remains the same. We'll just simplify and put the x terms on one side. 3 times x is a negative 3x is greater than 3x plus 7. So the like terms are negative 4x and minus 3x. Negative 7x minus 3 is greater than 3x plus 7. We take the 3x on the other side, and for that we subtract 3x on both sides. 3x minus 3x plus 7. So this portion becomes 0. This is negative 10x minus 3 is greater than 7. Now we take the negative 3 to the other side. For this we add 3 to both sides. So this part becomes 0. We have negative 10x is greater than 10. Now to make the coefficient of x as 1, we divide by negative 10 on both sides. Negative 10x minus 10. Let's leave the sign for one moment. Now whenever an inequality is multiplied or divided by a negative number, the sign flips itself. The greater than becomes less than. I repeat, whenever an inequality is multiplied or divided by a negative number, that is negative 10 in this case, the inequality sign flips itself. Greater than would become less than. If less than, it would become greater than. So that's how it works. So let's simplify now. This becomes 1 divided by negative 10 is a negative 1. So x is less than negative 1 is the final answer and can be seen in option B. I hope solving linear inequalities is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.